Got a Python basic alarm with two-way pager installed, 99 Toyota 4Runner. Here's the remote, lock, unlock, pop trunk. This alarm system is not remote start, it's basic alarm with lock and unlock only. Flashing lights, siren. We place the LED light right by the window. Now I'm going to open up the door, set off the alarm system. If the vehicle is hit or any of the doors are pried open, it will fire off. And there it is, Python, made by Viper, two-way pager, lock and unlock. Available here at Innovative Car Sound and Security. Open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6. This one's all set and ready to go. We'll see you guys on the next one.